Hey y'all. I made a video called Why I Don't Watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. And for some reason last night it started what I consider to go viral. I mean, it's just launching like it's going crazy on my end on how many views I'm getting on it. And so I decided to make this video to encourage those of you that enjoy the homestead type of community and the off-grid lifestyle and all that type of stuff. If you're not already subscribed to Doug and Stacy, get on over there and subscribe to Doug and Stacy. But what this video is really about is to encourage you, if you have 2,000 subscribers or more, to make a video, like they said, of why you watch Off Grid and Doug and Stacy, to enroll in a giveaway for 2,000, or for a giveaway on a camera. You have to have 2,000 subscribers or more to get involved in that giveaway, which is cool. I have no problem against that. I mean, I think that's a great way to do it. But if you have 2,000 subscribers or more, get on over there, watch that video. It's about a week old. And get in on that deal. If you don't have 2,000 subscribers, still make that video. But do like I did. Make a spoof of why you don't watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. Entitle it, Why I Don't Watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacy. As a spoof. I don't want to knock them. I'm not knocking them. They're a great channel. But that spoof has really worked out pretty good for me. I mean, I've gotten about 60 or 70 subscribers over that video. It's still going nuts, and I'm getting 50 to 100 views per hour. Have been for the last 12 hours, even though I made the video like 3 or 4 days ago, 2 or 3, 4 days ago, something like that. Just last night, it just started taking off. So if you have less than 2,000 subscribers, go ahead and make a spoof and just see what it does for you. And make sure you put in the descriptions of something, or put a comment down below on your video to challenge other people that have less than 2,000 subscribers to do the same thing, to make a spoof video of why they don't watch Off Grid with Doug and Stacy when you actually do. So anyway, that's going to conclude this video, y'all. Just remember, if the girls don't find you handsome like me, they can find you handy like me. And if they don't find you handy like me, then just pray that they find you. Y'all come back now, you hear? Bye.